How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here, and welcome back to another auto video. In this video, I'll be teaching you why it's not at all a good idea to top off your tank when you get fuel at the gas station. Before we get started, as always, just please leave a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel for some more. And as always, let's get back to the video. So the main reason why you do not want to top off your car, if you don't know what topping off means, like when you're at the gas station and it's filled, it clicks off and you keep on filling it up even though it keeps on clicking. The reason why inside cars there's something called an evap system, and what it does is that, have you ever smelled gasoline? Instead of the vapors going into the sky, it is recycled into the engine. What the canisters do is they filter out the hydrocarbons in the gasoline, and they'll suck in air to kind of flush it out and clean it out. So it's self-explanatory. It has gasoline fumes in the tank from the gasoline, and it just filters it right out. So where the tank sits, it's obviously giving off vapors, so the canister's right above. And what you want to do is, if you top off your tank to a point to where you keep filling it, gas can get into that cartridge and it can completely destroy the canister. And it's not just a normal area like filter in your engine, like in the intake filter. It's honestly hard to get, and they're very expensive, plus you gotta pay for someone to get in there. Unless you want to do it yourself, go for it. I know that some cars, they have them in the engine, they have them underneath the car, underneath the gas tank, behind the gas tank, they have them everywhere. So it all depends on what you want to do. And obviously, since technology is getting more and more advanced, things are getting less bulky and are getting a little bit tinier. So even like if you put a little bit of gas, like even a little bit of drop of gas gets to this canister sometimes, completely wipes out the system. But alright guys, that was a really quick video, but I hope it guys help you understand why not to top it off. Go ahead, top it off if you really want to, but again, it's your funeral if something happens to your car. As always guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, make sure you leave a like and comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.